shocking case of sheer medical negligence at one of the top hospital chains in the national capital. When you go to the hospital, you have the faith that you will be given the best treatment, even for the high rate and fees that they are charging you. Now, this hospital operated on the wrong leg of a patient without proper medical checkup. The family of the patient has now filed a police complaint. Here's a complete report.
Sheer medical negligence reported from top Delhi hospital. A patient with a broken leg was operated upon by doctors in the Shalimar Bagh located Fortis hospital. The surgery involved insertion of 4 pins to fix the broken bones. But to the horror of Ravi Rai, the doctors operated on the wrong leg. Worse, Ravi's frantic calls to the doctor went unanswered.
तो आपका जो फ्रैक्चर हुआ था वो कौन से पाँव में था?
मेरा फ्रैक्चर हुआ था
राइट पे, इस पे। और ऑपरेशन किसका हो गया? ये लेफ्ट का हो गया।
और मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग
तो आपको पता नहीं लगा जब ये कर रहे थे?
मैं तो
एनेस्थीसिया
उस साइड लेटा हुआ था ना।
अच्छा अच्छा।
जैसे मैं पैर ऐसे देखा, मैंने देखा कैसे हुआ।
हाँ।
तो मैंने बुलाया डॉक्टर को।
हाँ।
मेरे पेरेंट्स को बुलाया।
हाँ हाँ।
मैंने 20-25 मिनट बहुत बुलाया, कोई आया नहीं।
हाँ।
फिर बहुत देर बाद डॉक्टर आए, कहते कि नहीं लेफ्ट में था। मैंने एक्सरे भी था, सीटी स्कैन भी था।
हाँ।
फिर भी लेफ्ट कैसे हो गया मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
The family claims the hospital offered them to operate Ravi's injured leg and hush up the matter. But the patient's family refused and filed an FIR against the hospital.
जब बेटे को होश आया तो उसने पूछा मुझे बोला कि राइट पैर की जगह ये तो लेफ्ट पैर में कर दिया ऑपरेशन हमें। फिर मैं जाकर के देखता हूँ उसको और पूछता हूँ तो ये कहते हैं मेरे से गलती हो गई, अब मैं इस पैर का निकाल करके इस पैर में कर देता हूँ।
तो क्या सरकार तक जानकारी पहुँची है या फिर आप कोई कार्रवाई करने की सोच रहे हैं?
नहीं, आप ही ने अभी मुझे बताया, इसको पता करते हैं।
Meanwhile, Fortis issued a statement saying that patient safety was more important and they will take appropriate action.
Ravi has now opted for a different hospital and now is taking further treatment. What needs to be seen is whether the medical board will take any action, whether the leading hospital of the national capital and one of the well-known brands of this country will take some action and book the guilty doctor for his misdeeds. With camera person Pratap, this is Anusha Soni for India Today.
Anusha Soni is joining us live from Vijay Chowk. She's been tracking the story now. Anusha, not only it's a major blunder by a top hospital, but look at the shocking way in which the doctor tried to deal with his blunder, where he said that let me remove the pins and plant it on the leg where the operation was due to take place. Where did this medical negligence happen and what is the action being taken against the doctor by the hospital?
Well, as you pointed out, this entire incident, this took place at the Shalimar Bagh Fortis. Fortis has various branches across the city in New Delhi, and the branch in Shalimar Bagh is one of the branches with the high-end technology, with one of the best doctors, yet this incident happened. Now, as you pointed out, the doctor was very callous in the way in which he responded. At least that's what the allegations are. Now, what needs to be seen is that not only this is a civil negligence, which he could be booked under, the Indian Medical Association can also go ahead and take some action against the doctor. As far as Fortis and what the steps they have taken is concerned, they have just issued a statement. We do not know whether a departmental inquiry has been started or not, yet there is no formal word on that matter. Usually when a medical negligence cases come like this, a hospital is bound to have an inquiry within itself and report the case to the Medical Association. Yet no word from the hospital on this front. They have just issued a statement saying they take appropriate action, but these vague words say very little. And the Indian Medical Association also is very reluctant to take any steps against the doctors. We have not seen any good example in the past. We keep hearing about these instances, but to hear about a stern step, we are yet waiting for that.
And also for Ravi as well, Anusha, because he had to go to another hospital. It's been quite an ordeal. His leg, which was completely fine, was operated upon. But you said that no reaction from the Indian Medical Association till now, and that's perhaps the reason why there is a crumbling faith in the medical system by the patients.
Absolutely. I mean, we are the country which spends less than 2% of our GDP on the entire medical system. We have one of the, worst regulated medical healthcare system in the world. And so far, the Indian Medical Association has not said anything, has not done anything about it.
Okay. Anusha, in fact, let's take this question to the President of the Indian Medical Association, Mr. S.S. Agarwal, who is joining us right now. Mr. Agarwal, good afternoon. Now, it's a shocking blunder committed by the doctor of a well-reputed Fortis hospital. What is your association going to do? What is the action that you're planning to take?
See, till that time we are not aware, but it is not of intention. And this thing is somewhere, there is a failure of the system, there may be gaps into the, and certainly the first thing is the patient must be all right. And the inquiry committee will be there so that where is the fault lies, whether it is of the system failure, whether
But how can it be a system failure, Mr. Agarwal? Here's a doctor who's been trained in the medicine field. He goes into an operation theatre without even knowing whether he needs to operate and what kind of ailment he needs to operate. He goes and plants 4 pin on the wrong leg of the patient. Where is the system failure? It is a failure of the doctor for not knowing what is to be done.
No. It is because of there is a teamwork and not of the doctor alone. It is the teamwork, and where the team, where some gap may remain, and that's why it was happened, and it will be corrected. It is not certainly a intentional. Particular doctor did this with the intention to do this, and
Mr. Agarwal, it's a dereliction of duty by the entire team led by the doctor who operated upon this patient. Now, are you trying to say that they did not know when they were going into the operation theatre what they are supposed to do? They didn't even check their papers, they didn't even have the proper tests with them. How can you justify something like this, sir?
Yes. There is a system, and the operating doctor works with the team. Not only the operating doctor is for each and everything is responsible. Okay, ultimately the responsibility lies with the head. But I am telling you, all the lapses and all the things not done by only the doctor. It is the work of the team. And
so what is the punishment for such a gross negligence? What is the punishment that the Indian Medical Association will be implementing?
No, first the Indian Medical Association will be where the lapses or where the gaps. So this gross negligence happened into the hospital. This is so the appropriate action will be taken when these things will be found out. The patient safety is required. First, we see the patient is okay, and all the investigations see where the gaps lie, where the things who should be done, who should do, and he was not there because of his human error. But I can tell certainly it is not due to intentionally.
Mr. Agarwal, how can you justify this, saying it's not done intentionally? Of course, it is a gross blunder by the doctor and his team. When you say it could be a human error, think about the patient as well who suffered the agony. He had to go to another hospital to get operated upon. The doctor himself tried to brush the matter under the carpet, saying, let us just operate on your other leg since there has been a mistake. Isn't there a probe that should be ordered from the Indian Medical Association, and a strict action should be taken to lead by example?
The total responsibility is not only of the operating doctor. It is the collective procedure done by the team. And there is certain work those who do. Total team, one has to be anesthetist, one has to be see the this total identification of the patient, one has to come and...
So will you be ordering a probe? Will you be ordering a probe?
Only alone doctor is not going to operate.
Mr. Agarwal, will you be ordering a probe, and we leave it at that? Will you be ordering a probe?
Yes. Certainly. The IMA will go in deep and find out where the things become so that the total gross negligence happened. and what should be corrective measure can be taken
Okay.
by each and every hospital so that it should not
And
be
penal
happened
action
in
as
the
well,
future.
Mr. Agarwal, and a penal action as well, and a stricter action as well, so that such misfortunate incidents are avoided in future. Thanks for joining us.